I found a gizmo.
Oh, satisfied.
Guys, we need to find a way to get all 12 gizmos.
How about we get light?
PS3 Slim, that's a good idea.
Who is looking for some grub?
Me please, he was looking for some baguettes.
Oh yeah, let me give you some baguettes.
You scared the heck out of me, but what do you want anyway?
Hey, this is Atari 7800.
Shut the hell up.
Brother, so fun, guys.
What are we doing now?
Shut up, you hella Switch Pro. I found all of these damn gizmos.
Damn, you found the gizmos.
I sure hella did.
That's like amazing. What do you guys want? Like and subscribe, and then we will do a part 3.
Damn it, I forgot to take out the trash.
So what are we doing? Like what?
Whoa, whoa, ah. I am so unstable, a freak.